Welcome to the channel. Today we're over at my brother's house, working on his TYM T25 subcompact tractor. All right, bucket, backhoe, loader. You got a lot of rubber hoses on there, all right, and they're unprotected from the sun and the weather and stuff like that. I'll show you. Most of them, most of them aren't covered very well. They only have this little, cloth sleeve on a couple of them. Well, my brother decided that he wanted to protect them more. And we'll show you one of them right here. See, just a rubber hose. He wanted to put something on there to protect them from the sun and whatever else. All right, it's not going to protect them from being pulled off or anything, but it's just going to weather protection. Okay, so he
dry rotting.
Yeah, for dry rotting and stuff. So he had this idea of putting what do you call it? These little plastic sleeves on that are usually used for cable management, cable protection and stuff. All right. He's got one in his hand right now. It's just a little plastic sleeve, and he got it color matched to match his tractor, isn't he?
And it just wraps around.
And it just wraps around. So he's got some already on the tractor, right? See, looks pretty nice. All right, up there. He's got them all up here by the joystick, control hoses and stuff. See, I don't know if you can see. Got them all up on there. Through there, whatever. Easy to put on, relatively inexpensive, safe, just, whatever. And so he's going to show you how to put it on. You just hold it open and it just kind of curls right around. And you just cut it to length. And he's cut all of these.
Yeah, I wouldn't record all this because
it
is kind of a pain to wrap it.
It is kind of a pain, but, hey.
Especially when they're circular.
Yep. So he just doesn't take that long. Put it on there, and he wraps it up there.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to go the other direction.
Yeah. There. Easy peasy.
That's it.
Yep. Just goes on there. Like he's got all of these up here on the bucket. Okay. All up in there.
It protects them from the sun. It protects them against getting sliced too.
Yep.
But it does not protect them from getting pulled.
Right.
Sliced, stabbed in the sun.
Right. You're working outside all the time in the weather, the cold, and so you just to help protect it. These may dry rot or whatever. Then you can always get some more and replace it. So this is the brand that he bought. There's other brands out there. Alex Tech. This one has a couple of different colors. He got it the red to match his tractor because he wants to be all pretty.
It's a yuppie tractor, you said?
Yuppie tractor, yeah, like I said. Anyway, this is just a quick video. This is just an inexpensive way to protect your hoses a little bit from being sun weathered and cold, in the cold and in the heat. Okay. So if this is something you're interested in, there'll be a link in the description below. Okay. If you're interested in more tractor videos, there'll be some more in the future. If you're interested in some other videos of mine, hit that subscribe button. What do you think of this? Leave it in the comments, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see the next video, check it out up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.